What up, world? What up, team? What up, family? It's your brother KOBK, and today we're coming to you with another banger. We're diving into the exclusive strategy called the Reckoning. Now, this is binary options made easy just for you. Why is it so easy? Because this strategy is color coordinated for you to succeed. And what that means is if everything lines red, you're going to sell. And if everything lines up green, you're going to buy. But here's the kicker. We're taking trades at 10-second intervals. Now, I know a lot of you guys take trades on the 60-second time frame, the 2-minute time frame, the 3-minute time frame, the 5-minute time frame. I mean, I was just with Allison, who's on the call yesterday, and we on the call today, and we used the strategy, and I told her to take a 15-minute trade, and she cleared that trade. So I understand the magnitude of using different time setups. But in all reality, a lot of people don't want to spend a lot of time in front of their computer looking for an ideal setup. So I've created this setup especially for you to get into the market and execute trades with precise execution when you identify the proper setup. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna dive into it. I do have some scholars on the line today who's on the call, who's gonna be looking for trade setups as well. And we're going to see what we can find in the market. We know yesterday how the market looked. It was a little crazy, right? But we were still able to go 40 wins and 1 loss in the 8 o'clock session. I recorded that. I put it on my YouTube channel yesterday. You guys can go check that out. And then later on at the 8:30 session, it was a little rocky, but we were still profitable though. So I am on Pocket Options, and if you guys don't have an account, I'll leave a link in the description down below so you can go ahead and set up an account. I do have a discount code, so for when you're ready to go live, they'll add an additional bonus to that, 50% on top of whatever you invest into your account. Now listen, guys, I don't want you to start off and go live right away. That's not what we do here. What we do is you come here in the morning, you learn this skill, you hone in on your skill, you exercise your precision in the market with beautiful execution, and then you continue to go on your demo account. I want you on your demo account. I want you on your demo account. When you buy your strategy from my website's going to be down below. When you buy your strategy, I want you to execute. I want you to practice. And then when you're ready, you can join my other session where we actually go live and we're using real money over there. It's a different blog game, right? So as you guys see over here on the top right, this is a demo account. This is the platform. I'll do a quick overview for those of you who are watching this for the first time. Here right here is your currency strength meters. I'm sorry, here right here is your currencies. You can go ahead and select your currencies. The payout right there is 92%. The strategy that I'm using today, it works on stocks. It works on OTC. Well, I'm going to say Forex, and it also works on the OTC pairs of the Forex as well as the regular pairs too. This style you can use on any platform. Listen, guys, I've already transitioned this over to the Forex side, so you can use it on the binary option side as well as the Forex side. So now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to star a couple pairs real quick. Star. As I star these, you're going to see them populate at the top. The reason I'm starting is because I want to be able to look through the market real fast and not stay on one pair. I really don't like to stay on one pair. I scan the market, I look for the setup, and then I keep going. The reason I do that because with this strategy, it presents opportunities really fast. Now, my candles right here, I'm going to put these on Hike and Ash. For this strategy, we're going to be on S15. And what the S15 means is that every single candle that you see is 15-second candles. That's why this is so powerful. And then also, you guys make sure you enable your timer, enable your auto scroll, and enable your grid snap. Now, my trade time that I will be trading today, we will be trading 10 seconds. So I'm just going to hit S15, hit the minus, go down to 10 seconds. And now I am ready to look for some trades. So now that the introduction is done, let's have some fun. Let's see if we can find our first setup. And guys, I know you guys on the call, some of y'all like to be on your live account You know, I understand, but please demo. I gotta say that, guys, because they'll get on their live account. All right, let's see what we can find here. All right, let me move this out the way so we can see everything. Okay, boom. So we got a green candle right here. Actually, the cross has already happened back here. We got green candle above that red. It just closed. It's about to close above that red. I need a green candle down here. There it is. So now normally that would be a great entry, but guys, I see a fractal right here, so I'm not going to enter. I need this price to clear and close above this level. And for you new guys that are here, I'll draw a line so you know what I'm looking at. Draw this line right here. I need to close above that level. Let's go ahead and make this a pretty color real quick. We got time. Gotta make it pink or purple. There we go. Boom. So now we have another one. So I need a candle to really close above that level. But listen, since this move right here has already happened, I'm not going to enter this trade because it's already gone. I don't want to end at the end of a trade. What I want to do with you guys today is find a good setup and enter that trade. This is beautiful, but I need price to close above that level. Go ahead and mark this up. I need price to close above that level. Now, let's back up a little bit. Let's go look at the currency strength meter. Let's see what currency is the strongest today. This is currencystrengthmeter.org. I come over here to see which one is really strong. EUR is really strong today. I'll be using this on the Forex side. And then also I'm going to go to my other website, which is forexfactory.com. And this is going to tell me the news that is going on for today, what's being impacted. So today we have a red folder at 8:30. It just happened for USD. Now, this correlates with what we just seen. 2 o'clock, we got Fed, Chair Powell speaks. Everything else is good. So the red folders, guys, for you new traders, stay away from it. What that means is during the 2 o'clock time frame, don't trade anything that's USD. Just stay away from it. Right here, 8:30, stay away from it if you don't know how to trade. But I'm going to show you how this matches with what we're looking at. So at 8:30, what's going on? 9 o'clock, we had a red folder, right? I come over here to my currency strength meter and look how weak this is. It's at 4 and it might go weaker. It might go weaker. So that means with me, I want to buy EUR because it's stronger. I like to look at it like it's tug of war. I want this to pull this. So I'm going to buy this. Now, if USD was stronger, I would sell USD. I would sell USD versus this because this one would be stronger. And the way you'll know how to do that is when you're looking at the currency pairs. And let's just go to EU real quick. Oh man, look at that, guys. We missed our entry. Look at that. Oh my. That was our wave right there. That was our wave. We would have cleared on every single one of those trades. Oh my. So anyway, let's go to EUR USD real quick. Let's look and see what's going on. So over here, we know EU is stronger. So we would want to buy here, but this is not ready for us to buy. Not yet, because these candles are not above our red line and we're just now getting across. So we would wait. But my, do y'all see what just happened? Oh my. Good grief. All right, let's find a setup. Let's find a setup. So I'm going to play some music until I find a setup. We can really take this for continuations. All right, let's stay with EUR Chef. So EUR Chef, they're real tight. They're close. We'll see what we can do with EUR Chef. There we go. We just broke a level. Let me change this. We broke our level. I will enter this next candle. 3 at 1. Boom. Enter. Let's go. All right. So I'm only going to look at EUR Chef right now. There we go. We're out. There we go. That's clear. That's $1,920. Let's go. I will enter the next one. Let's go. There we go. Fractal. That's a warning. So I have my warning telling me that the market wants to turn around right now. That's my warning. So We don't win everyone. Normally we'll catch a wave, but I'm going to wait. We cleared that one, $1,920, right? But I'm going to wait right now because the market is telling me that it wants to turn around. So I need to be patient. I need to be patient. And what I'm waiting for this candle to go above this level and close. That's what I'm waiting on. So I'm just going to be patient. Just going to be patient. Just going to be patient. Going to be patient. Going to be patient. That moves so fast, so fast. And I might go to another pair because we did look at the currency strength meter. EUR and CHF is really tight in strength, right? So normally when you want to trade a strong currency versus a weaker one. Meaning if you do that, when you catch the cross, it will continue to go up like we've seen on the other one. When the currency meter are super tight, I mean, when the strength is close together, you'll get this right here. You'll get no clear direction, sense of direction on where the market wants to go because they're so close in strength. They're playing tug and war, and they're trying to figure out who's going to win right now. So we got our trade there. We're good. This is now red is in control. That means the sellers now, because we have the cross, the sellers are coming in. They're in control of the market. We have red bars here, red bars here. For you guys who've been on my call, we came back, we touched that money line. So let's see if we get a fractal here and then go back to the upside. Now, if we get a fractal here and we start to turn around and go to the upside in this cross and I get green here, I'm going to enter that trade for a call. Reason is because there's our fractal. There's our fractal. Reason is because we're still above our red line. We have the cross here and we can at least trade to that level right there. We can catch a couple. Now, it might not be the big wave that we want, but we can definitely catch some trades. So let's just be patient. Let's see what happens. Sellers are still in control. I have wicks right here. The wicks on the bottom of my candles mean that the buyers are trying to come in and push the market up. There we go. That's what I want to see. There's my fractal. Right here with these candles, they're flat tops. That means the sellers had more pressure to sell off, right? But now we got wicks on both. We like that indecisive candle. It means the market wants to reverse. So I'm just waiting. I'm just being patient. There's my green. I need my green here, and I'm entering this trade when it happens. Now, we marked up this level right here. That's still a zone that we have to break. So that doesn't go away. We still must break through that level. So I want you guys to be, there we go, green, green. I'm not going to enter now because it happened while it was already inside of this candle. So I'm going to wait. There we go. We need to break that level. There we go. Come on, break that level. Break that level. We pull back. This is a good entry. I'm taking that trade. There we go. I needed to break this level though. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Break that level. Come on. Push up. Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's another clear. Let's go. Let's go. Now, I'm not going to enter this next trade. Boom. Fractal. Nope. The only reason I entered this trade because it pulled back far enough for me to enter the trade on the next candle to hit this candle and then pull back some. So I'm okay. I will enter this trade. I'm entering this trade. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This is the reckoning, y'all. The reckoning. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. There we go. I will enter this next trade at 1. I will continue to enter this next trade. I'm in that trade. Now I do see a level here. There is a level. There's a fractal right there. I need to break that level. So I'm only taking one trade here until I break and close above. There we go. There we go. That's another 1920. I'm not going to take this trade. I'm going to wait. I need to close above. I don't care that it's right here. I needed to really close above that fractal level right here because it can bounce back like you guys are seeing right now. I needed to close above. We came back. We touched the money line. So now we're trading in between this zone now. We're in between this zone. So let's see what's going to happen. We got red right here, meaning the sellers are coming into the market. We got the red cross. That's our entry for a signal to sell, but we're still above our red line. So we're not going to trade. We want to buy. So now for you guys who've been here, we've came and we touched that line. Now what's our next level? Who can tell me what the next level for a sell needs to touch? Who can tell me that? Unmute, unmute. Somebody tell me. Somebody tell me. What's the next level?
What was your question again? What was your question again?
Yeah.
So we already
What's
touched
the next level of your sale?
yeah. So we've already touched the money line. What's the next
You have to
level?
break.
Go ahead, Tony T. I'm listening.
Yep, your fractal below your line, your horizontal line that has to go down there
Absolutely.
beyond that.
So if we didn't have a fractal here and it was continuing to sell off, what level is it going to?
Oh,
The red line.
the
The red line. The red line.
The red line at
The
200.
red line, y'all. The red line. It has to touch the money, and then if it breaks that, it's here. But now since we got a fractal and we're trying to validate if this is truly a sell, we know EUR is stronger, but if we're trying to validate that there's a shift in the market, it's gonna come touch the red line. Everything you guys need is on your chart. It's right here. This strategy is built for you just to look at it and see. It's right here, the red line. So if you get a candle that comes here and it closes below the red line, what type of trades are we looking for then?
Sells.
Absolutely.
Fail.
Absolutely. And we're going to be looking for continuations then, right? The reason is because we already had our cross right here. We already had our cross. So if we get a candle that comes and closes below, that's huge. That's huge. But that's not, we are creating lower lows right now. Candles are going lower. Candles are going lower. It's trying to make its way to this right here. So we're just going to be patient and look. Now, who can tell me I have these wicks underneath my candles? What does that mean right here in this area? Who can tell me that?
Sellers are in control.
But what do the wicks
Buyers
mean?
are pushing up.
The buyers are pushing up.
And the price
Coming
Absolutely.
in and pushing it up.
That's right.
Like,
So now that's good. Yo, stay with me now. Stay with me. So now that I have these fractals that are appearing and I have wicks, what is that telling me?
The buyers are trying to
Yes.
take over.
Yes. Yes.
We're
The
trying to
buy.
push it up.
Yes. Yes. So as you see, the sellers like,
They're
yo,
trying hard.
they trying hard. Look what we got, y'all. We got our first signal, right? We got green. We got a green candle. We're already above. We want to take the buy. We came and touched the money. All we doing is waiting for the cross now to enter that trade. Like, this is easy. This is easy. So we there go the sellers again. There go the sellers. There go the sellers. What we gonna watch? Are you gonna touch this red line and break? Let's watch. Look, now look. Got the green. The buyers are like, nah, buddy, what are you doing? No, you're not going this slow. We're stronger. We're stronger. Here's the fractal. He's like, hey, that's my little brother. What are you doing? We're gonna push this market up. Like, let's go. Look. Now you got a fractal on both. You got to, so now that's that tug of war, guys. Because remember, we looked at the currency strength meter and they were almost identical. Here's a prime example of what you see them playing tug of war. You got the sellers right here, you got the buyers right here, and they're trying to see who's gonna pull that candle, who's gonna pull it. So it's tug of war time right now. So let's see who takes control. So what I want to do real quick, we look at this candle, see what we do. Uh-oh. That's really a sell. That's really a sell, but I'm gonna wait. I need this candle to really close below before I enter, because I still got a lot of buying pressure right there. It's not ready, guys. It's not ready yet. There we go. I'm gonna take that. I will take that. I'm gonna take it. And the reason I'm taking it because everything lines up. Red, red, red. Let's go. Push it down. Let's go. Let's go. We're about to clear again. Let's go. And I'm taking another one. I'm gonna take this one. Boom. That's a good entry. Let's go. Drop. Okay. So now look, guys. Remember, we've been having buying pressure this whole time, right? This was strong because we have flat tops. Oh, cleared that trade too. I'm not taking this next one. I'm not. Fractal. Boom. Man, hey, we get in class right now. I think I just went like 4 or 5 and 0. Continuation. So I will enter this next trade. Look at the drop. I will enter 1. I'm in there at 1. Let's go. Let's see how far we can take this. Let's go. So what I want to do, I got 11 seconds. Let me go back over here. EUR chef. Wow, look at the strength, guys. I lost that trade. Look at that strength. They're even.
Wow.
They're even now. Yeah. Look, we were literally seeing it happen in front of our face because it was battling. We seen it right here. We seen it. I'm gonna keep. So now, when you have something like this, I think this is gonna flip around, but I'm gonna enter anyway. Maybe not. I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, fractal. So normally when you have something like this, guys, and everything lines up, you can continue taking every single trade until you get a fractal here or you get a green candle. If you get one of those, stop. Just stop and you wait and you wait. Now we know they're both super strong. So let me ask you guys, what am I waiting for right now? What am I looking for? Boom, there's a fractal. What am I looking for?
Now I'm looking for green, red candles.
So yes, Tony T, absolutely. So the first thing I was looking for was really my fractal to see who was going to take control. And then once you get the fractal, that lets you know that the market wants to turn around, right? But if I look here, I got buyers in control. Buyers are coming in the market. Okay, buyers are in the market. Okay, the next thing I look for is a candle to break this level like it did right there. It broke that level to tell me it wants to go up. I'm not going to enter this trade yet because it did not cross yet. It's still telling, this is still telling me the sellers are in control. We now, for the students that have been here, we know that price wants to go and touch our money line. So we're looking for that. Now, what I want you guys to realize is that when price does touch this, if it does, the next level is still that green line where we were. It's still that green line. So me personally, I don't want to take a trade for a buy until I close above that line. Now, I know some of you might try to get in and take these trades, but the green didn't cross the red. So you just sit and wait, and we're still getting greens. I understand for the beginners and the people that have been here, I understand that you see all this, you feel like you're missing out on money, but also I want you to look at this. These are trades you could have lost because you didn't follow the rules. You could have been buying, seeing a fractal. Oh, I'm gonna wait. I have a red candle, red's on here. I really want to be selling, right? But we have divergence because this is saying buy, this is saying sell. Our candles are above our red line is saying buy. We have divergence, and what divergence means is everything doesn't line up. You want everything to line up before you enter the trade. Now, this is good. Candle red, we got red. I need a red bar. Boom, I'm taking that trade. Boom, let's go. We're gonna clear. We're gonna clear. Let's go. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. If I lose, it's okay. I'm going to enter the next one. I don't need you to tell me good job. We know we're doing a good job. All right, let's enter that one. We got pullback, indecisive candle. I'm done. We're probably going to get a fractal here. We're probably going to get a fractal. Oh, let's go. I'll take it. Let's go. Keep pushing. That's a clear. I will take this next one because everything is still telling me to stay in. There's a fractal right there. There's a fractal. I thought it was going to happen on the last candle, but it happened there. So let's see if I'm still going to clear though. Am I going to clear it? Bro, I am ending the class. We are done. We are done. Yo, anyway, clear all the way around. This is your brother KLBK. I've just demonstrated you. I'm going to use this video as a tutorial for you guys to share with other people on how we come over here in the morning and we dominate with using the reckoning trading style. Listen, guys, we've only been trading. We started at 8:30. It's 9:11 now, so almost 45 minutes, but a lot of it was explaining everything that was going on. I'm going to enter this trade as well. I'm going to enter. I see it can go down to this level right here. So I'm going to enter it anyway. But anyway, it's your brother KLBK. Go to my website, get your strategy, hop on with us in the morning because now I'm going to end this video. And now the students are going to ask whatever questions they want because I already know they've been trading on their live account. And I told them to trade on their demo account. But anyway, it's your boy KLBK. We out of here.